Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today we're diving into a topic that's changing the way we work and live, AI automation. We're talking next-level efficiency, optimized processes, and a glimpse into the future of business. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Alright, let's be real for a second. Business processes can be a pain. They're often complex, time-consuming, and prone to errors. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline those processes, reduce those errors, and free up your valuable time? That's where AI automation comes in. One of the key players in this game is robotic process automation, or RPA. RPA uses software robots to automate repetitive tasks like data entry, invoice processing, and customer service inquiries. This isn't just about replacing human workers. It's about empowering them to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. A company leading the charge in RPA is UiPath. They're integrating AI capabilities into their platform, allowing businesses to automate even more complex processes. UiPath's CEO, Daniel Dines, talks about a future where agentic AI systems manage business processes automatically, almost like having a digital workforce at your fingertips. That's a powerful image, right? UiPath's latest updates are all about making automation even more accessible. UiPath Autopilot, for example, leverages generative AI and natural language processing to streamline workflow creation. This means you can literally tell the system what you need, and it will help you build the automation you need, even if you're not a coding whiz. We're talking faster development, faster deployment, and faster results. And get this, UiPath also integrates with Microsoft 365's Copilot. Now you can execute entire business processes right from your team's chat. Need to process an invoice while you're on a call? No problem. This is about seamless integration, folks, making automation a natural part of your workflow. But here's the really exciting part. AI automation is transforming industries across the board. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are working alongside humans to improve efficiency and precision. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and personalize treatment plans. And in finance, AI is being used to detect fraud and improve risk management. Imagine a manufacturing plant where AI analyzes real-time data from sensors to optimize production lines. Machine learning algorithms can predict equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and saving companies huge amounts of money. In fact, a recent study found that predictive maintenance can reduce maintenance costs by up to 40%. That's massive. Now, with all this talk about automation, I know what some of you might be thinking, what about security? And it's a valid concern. As we become more reliant on AI, we're also becoming more vulnerable to cyber attacks. But here's the good news. AI can also be a powerful tool in the fight against cybercrime. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to detect and respond to threats in real time, much faster than any human could. But it's not just about reactive security. It's about building security into the very foundation of our AI systems. Companies need to adopt a secure-by-design approach, incorporating security best practices throughout the entire development lifecycle. This includes things like robust authentication, data encryption, and continuous monitoring. Another key player in the AI automation space is Celonis. They specialize in process mining and process intelligence, which essentially means they help businesses map out and understand their processes, identify bottlenecks, and find opportunities for optimization. They're like the architects of efficiency, using data to build better business processes. Let's say you're a large retailer with a complex supply chain. Celonis can help you analyze data from all stages of your supply chain to identify areas where you can reduce costs, improve delivery times, and enhance customer satisfaction. This isn't just about small incremental improvements. It's about transformational change that can give you a real competitive edge. HARMAN, a subsidiary of Samsung Electronics, is another company making waves in the AI automation world. They're focusing on connected technologies for automotive, consumer, and enterprise markets. You might know them for their audio equipment, but they're also doing some really cool things with AI. For example, they're using AI to develop smarter, safer cars. Think advanced driver assistance systems, personalized in-car experiences, and even autonomous driving features. But they're also applying their expertise to other industries, helping businesses automate their processes and harness the power of AI. HARMAN understands that AI isn't just about technology, It's about creating seamless, intuitive experiences that make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about the future, hyperautomation. This is about taking automation to the next level, where every process that can be automated will be automated. It's about connecting different technologies, like AI, RPA, and machine learning, to create a truly intelligent and agile enterprise. One of the key drivers of hyperautomation is predictive AI. This is where AI analyzes historical data to predict future outcomes and optimize processes accordingly. Imagine a world where businesses can anticipate their customers' needs before they even arise. That's the power of predictive AI. And then there's generative AI, which is all over the news these days. While commonly known for generating creative content, generative AI can also create business forms up to 10 times faster than traditional methods. Instead of manually creating forms, you simply tell the AI what you need, and it generates the form for you, complete with all the necessary fields and formatting. That's a huge time saver, especially for businesses that deal with a lot of paperwork. But it's not enough to just implement AI. We need to constantly test and optimize to ensure we're getting the best possible results. That's where A/B testing comes in. Businesses are starting to A/B test AI-powered decisions against traditional decision-making methods to see which approach yields better outcomes. This data-driven approach ensures we're always learning and improving. As we move towards a future of hyperautomation, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI. Imagine a world where self-driving cars navigate our cities, AI-powered robots assist us in our homes, and personalized experiences are tailored to our every need. But it's important to remember that AI is not here to replace humans. Instead, it's here to augment our capabilities and create a more human-centered future. The most successful businesses will be those that find the right balance between human ingenuity and AI's computational power. So, that's a wrap on AI automation. I hope you found this video informative and exciting. I'm always trying to improve and bring you the best content possible. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video and what other AI topics you'd like me to cover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.